Want to start using ChatGPT, but not sure how to make the most of it? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and this is our beginner's guide to ChatGPT, where I'll teach you all the basics of using the app, including prompting tips, image generation, and personalization. Now let's get started. First of all, what is ChatGPT and how does it work? ChatGPT is an AI assistant that can answer questions, generate text and images, analyze documents, brainstorm ideas, and more. You can interact with ChatGPT in conversation through text or voice mode. Use ChatGPT for anything from planning trips and events, business tasks like drafting reports or summarizing meetings, generating study guides, and creating images like room design mockups or AI illustrations. You can download and use ChatGPT for free, but a premium version is available that has faster and more powerful performance. Premium members also get early access to new features. We'd suggest sticking with the free version when starting out to see if it meets your needs. When you first open the ChatGPT app, this is what the interface will look like. You can use the app without an account if you like, but signing up will allow you to personalize your experience. You can sign in with your Apple or Google account, or sign up with your email address. To begin using ChatGPT, type into the text box at the bottom to begin a conversation with the assistant. ChatGPT will respond to your message and answer any question or request you've presented. If you'd like to use voice mode, tap the voice mode button in the bottom right corner. When you use voice mode for the first time, you can choose which voice style you want ChatGPT to use. You may also have to give permission for the app to use your device's microphone. As you talk to ChatGPT in voice mode, text of what was said will appear on your screen. Tap End to exit voice mode. If you tap the plus sign in the bottom left corner, you can import images to use as references for your chat, or select a conversation type you want to have, including creating images, thinking, deep research, web search, study and learn, and shopping research. At the top, you can tap the new chat icon to begin a new conversation about a new topic. Tap the Add Person icon to create a group chat. If you don't want a chat to be saved to your history, tap the temporary chat icon in the top right corner. Then tap Continue. When you tap the menu icon in the top left corner, you'll see a sidebar menu where you can access all of your past chats. This makes it easy to revisit a previous conversation and continue working on a project or idea where you left off. You can customize ChatGPT's tone and how it will respond to you. You can include instructions within your conversations, such as explain it like I'm a beginner, or format your response as a numbered list. If you have a specific way you'd like ChatGPT to respond all the time, tap the menu icon in the top left corner and tap your name at the bottom. Then select Personalization. Fill in the fields on this page to customize how ChatGPT interacts with you. You can choose a base style and tone such as professional, friendly, quirky, or cynical. Add custom instructions and select or describe traits you'd like your assistant to have, like being straight shooting or witty, or as specific as use Gen Z slang. If you'd like, you can add information about yourself to help guide ChatGPT to better understand your needs. If you don't want ChatGPT to learn from your chats and save information to its memory, tap Memory. Here you can disable referencing of saved memories and chat history. You can also manage specific memories ChatGPT may have saved from past chats. When you're done personalizing how ChatGPT will respond, tap Save. One of the most important things to remember when using ChatGPT and other similar AI assistant systems is that the prompts you provide make a world of difference in how the AI works for you. Here are some top tips for effective prompting. Start with a simple request. For example, explain how solar panels work. Then add constraints, like explain how solar panels work in 8th grade language using simple analogies. If you want your response in a specific format, give instructions like write in bullet points or end with a short summary. Provide context in your prompts, including your goals, audience, and preferences. Once you've provided a prompt, you can ask for further iterations, like rewrite in a friendlier tone or make it more concise. When ChatGPT gives a response, you can use the icons below it to copy the text to your device's clipboard, hear it read out loud, rate it with a thumbs up or thumbs down, get a new response from your same prompt, or share it in a message, email, or through a social media app. If you're looking to generate images with ChatGPT, there are 2 ways you can go about this. You can generate a new image from scratch, or edit an existing image. You can upload an image from your device to use as a reference, or snap a photo of something in the moment by tapping the camera icon. This is helpful if you're looking for ideas on how to decorate a room, for example. If you'd like to generate a new image, just type in what you want it to look like. Be as descriptive as possible, including all the elements you want included, like the subject of the image, the details, style, and mood. For example, let's say you wanted to create an image of a bedroom with white walls, mid-century style furniture, and a warm and cozy vibe. If you're editing an image, you could ask for certain aspects of the image to be changed, like please change the wall color to a soft beige while keeping the furniture the same. Be as specific as possible about the aspects of your image that matter most to you. Use aesthetic references and inspirations to give the AI an idea of what style you're going for. You can also specify things you don't want or styles you want to avoid. And after getting an image result, you can ask for refinements. If you want to make multiple changes, it's helpful to separate them into a numbered list to make your requests clear. Once you've generated one image, you can use it as a reference for future requests in your conversation. This makes it easy to continue your project and keep the style of your images consistent. If you're looking to create or edit a video, you can try out Sora, the AI video app from the makers of ChatGPT. Check out our beginner's guide to Sora to learn more about the app. If you'd like to delete past chats from the ChatGPT app, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Find the chat you want to remove and hold it down in the list. Then tap Delete in the pop-up menu to remove it. Tap Delete to confirm. Repeat to delete any other chats you want to remove. That does it for our beginner's guide to ChatGPT. Want to learn how to use specific ChatGPT features? Check out our full playlist of ChatGPT tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.